Today I am going to show you how to make a simple and tasty chicken pepper recipe. First, grind about 4 tablespoons of black pepper, mustard seeds and coriander into a fine powder in a mixer and set it aside. Make a thin paste of coconut milk. Now take a medium sized pan and add about 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then add 2 curry leaves, finely chopped garlic, 2 small onions and 4 green chilies. Fry everything well. After that, add the marinated chicken and continue cooking. Add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of salt. When the chicken is partially cooked, stir in the ground black pepper mixture. Add chili powder according to your spices. Pepper, we are using 2 tablespoons because we are like it's spicy. Here I can add half cup of curd. Finally, add the coconut milk paste and cook the chicken on medium heat for about 15 minutes. Finally, the simple, tasty, healthy chicken pepper recipe is ready.